Hello everyone, I am Mangesh Kulkarni from Candid Advisors. Today we are going to discuss a short-term trading setup in Kansai Nerolax. This is a paint company. Current market price is 553 rupees. So short-term trading setup is visible in this stock. So before going to Kansai Nerolax, this is a standard disclaimer that this video is only for educational purpose. This is neither any recommendation nor advice. Now, these are people from whom I have learned a lot. So it is my duty to uh, express my gratitude towards these people. Mr. Ramdev Agarwal, he has expertise in fundamental analysis. Mr. Prakash Gaba, he is a renowned technical analyst, and Mr. Anuj Singhal, he has expertise in market data analysis and F&O. So you can watch them on YouTube or TV channels. So it will be very beneficial for your investing and trading journey. Now, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do it so that you don't miss any important investment, stock analysis, or trading setup. Let's quickly go to Kansai Nerolac charts. So this is a weekly chart. Now, as it is visible on this chart, this was a resistance zone. During 2017, stock came down from 615 rupees. Then this was second resistance, that was approximately 574 rupees. Now, if we join these two resistances, we get a resistance zone. Now, on this, in November 2020, stock has crossed this resistance zone. Now it is clearly visible on the charts. After crossing this resistance, it went up for 3-4 weeks and then it is coming down. Now this resistance, this trend line, it was a resistance earlier. Now it is working as a support. Now this is very important lesson that I have learned, that whenever the stock crosses its resistance and consolidates near its resistance, then the potential of stock going up is very high. So this is a very high probability setup that I am showing to you. Now let's go to daily chart. So as I mentioned, this trend line is acting very beautifully as a support. As we can see, this was the level approximately 540, where it took support for the first time. Let me draw the trend line. Yeah. So this was the first support. Then again the approximately same level for the second time, and again the same level 534, 530, 520 and 540. So 520 to 540 is a very strong support zone for this stock, and most important part is currently the stock is trading at 553. So what does that mean? We are very near to the support zone. So that this setup is offering very good risk reward trade for us. Now coming to the stop loss part, see this uptrend started from this candle from 18th May 2020. Now if we draw Fibonacci retracements, let's check what is the support. Yeah, so 32% retracement is approximately 550 levels where we are taking support. 50% retracement level is 506 where the stock has not visited these levels, and 61.8% retracement is approximately 460. So we are going to place a stop loss below this level. So current price is 553, so we can place stop loss at 450 or 455. That is a approximately 20% stop loss. And if the setup works out, if it goes in our favor, then we can expect at least 740 levels. So that is approximately 35 to 40% from current market price. Another small observation, during this consolidation, see the green candles. As the stock is going up, the volume is increasing, and when the stock is coming down, the volume is decreasing. So for this candle, the volume was approximately 4.5 lakhs. For this green candle, volume was 8.9 lakhs. So almost whenever the stock is going up, it is going up with a double volume. So this is a short-term trading setup that is visible for me in Kansai Nerolax. Let's hope this trade works out and it gives a good profit. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we also have stock market courses. So I will put a link in the description section, so you can visit our website www.candidadvisor.in and you can get back to us if you need any help. Thank you. Have a nice day.